Climate change and how it affects our everyday lives is a common concern these days. A large part of what we do is control the risk of flooding, which is caused by extreme weather. Our aim is to control that risk and, where possible, to limit the possibility of communities being affected by flooding in the future.
We're YGC's flood risk and drainage team and act as lead local flood authority for Gwynedd Council.
Our team has expertise in a range of flood risk and drainage related disciplines, including the delivery of numerous flood alleviation schemes. With an emphasis on innovative solutions, we are able to take a scheme from concept to construction, including all steps in between: hydrology, hydraulic modelling, structural design and community engagement.
One example of a YGC project which has vastly reduced the risk of flooding is the Talabont scheme near Bangor, which was worth £1.2 million. During 2012 and 2015, many homes had suffered damage during heavy rain. These storms also caused parts of the nearby A55 to become waterlogged, stopping traffic for long periods.
YGC has been responsible for all aspects of the scheme. The work began with reviewing what happened and drawing up a report on what caused the floods. Then we came up with plans which would divert the water away from the village on the A55 before arranging for hydrological models which would test the design work.
A business case was also needed so that we could bid for government funding, and once everything was in place, we oversaw and managed the building work. Our work unit is now responsible for inspecting the new structure throughout the year so that we can be sure that it's working as it should be.
The Talabont scheme is just one example of a project which lowers the risk of flooding. As risks which stem from climate change become more prevalent, we will continue to protect the vulnerable communities of Gwynedd and beyond.